Idul Adha 2025. We are on our way to our as usual farm in Grand Park. This farm we are using almost last 12 years. It's very convenient location close to the Chicago and it's very friendly staff over there as well. As you can see, they have a goat, lamb, all kind of options, and there is plenty of cow you can choose from. We are here to buy a cow this year. We wanted to get a medium size of longhorn spacious cow. Farm owner Mr. Ralph, he was showing the animals today. We have seen some giant Angus beef, as you can see in the video right now. In a short time, we have seen lots of animal. Finally, we kind of decided to go for the black one with the longhorn. Longhorn is spacious, medium-sized cow, which is kind of in our budget, and we was thinking about this one. While we was negotiating the price, the owner was trying to show us the different animals as well. As you can see, there is a plenty of animals to choose from. লাল আর এই কালোটার পিছনে কেমন লাগে এই যে একটা যেটা গাছ এই যে আসলে না এই যে এটা মাঝখানেরটা এই যে মাঝখানে কালো হ্যাঁ দুইটাই তো এটা একটা হ্যাঁ এটারে ভালো লাগতেছে তাই না এটার কেমন লাগে ইয়া দেখেন তো একদম কাছে আছে এটারে কেমন লাগে
And on these bigger ones you can about take your pick, like of this one or this yellow tag brown one here in the middle with 22 there. Him, you can take your pick of them, 2,800.
800
28.
my goodness
Your pick.
it used to be $1,500
Or I can do like this size here for like 2,300.
oh no
Or like this one, 2,000. That'd be about as small as I got. Here behind you, this 22, right here. And we're all 2.5 years and pretty good, man. By this weekend, there won't be many left. This black one here, the black one up at the barn.
yeah
Bring the black two out of the barn, bud.
how much you said this one
The same, all pretty good.
is it
This one here may be a little thinner, but the other one's heavier, and this one here is quite a bit heavier. That's a pretty good one there.
this is heavier than this
Yeah, about the same, about the same. I'd say them two are, this one's taller and this one's maybe a little thicker. But real comparative, yeah, real close. Real close.
mm-hmm.
Real close. There's one there, 46. Whatever you like. This one here, 3,200. The big brown and white one, 5,000. They are expensive. Yesterday, a new record in America. A brand new record on the price yesterday.
Really?
Yeah. They were up 30% in 1 year. 30% from a year ago, going higher. They shut the border down to Mexico.
Which
Why?
species is this one?
Huh?
Is it Angus too?
Yeah.
We want a Longhorn.
You want Longhorn? Okay. I got Longhorns here, so the black one.
After watching those all animals, finally we came back to the black Longhorn again, and we decided we finalized this one. And after a big time negotiation with Mr. Ralph as an owner, we both agreed to pay $2,750 for this car.